The advice that I give to all my patients, especially the patients who've already had skin cancer, is obviously sunscreen every single day and as much sun avoidance as possible. But living here in South Florida, that's almost impossible. SOLICUR, I think, offers the most cutting edge technology right now in terms of preventing skin cancer. It has niacinamide, which has been clinically proven to prevent squamous cell carcinoma and maybe even basal cell carcinoma. And not just the clinical studies, but what I've seen in my patients. I've been recommending it to them for at least the last 7 years, and I've actually seen some miraculous results, patients where their actinic keratoses have completely disappeared, and many patients, including myself, I've had 3 skin cancers, that I have not had a cancer in 5 years. In my patient population, I've seen some miraculous results.